Hello and welcome back to another video by Scene Through Cars. Today we are test driving this beautiful BMW e39 523i. It's a forest green, I would say. Some old-fashioned tires. Unfortunately, it hasn't got the M package, as you see. Therefore, it looks a little bit, odd, I would say. But nonetheless, it's a nice car. Got a lot of space at the back seats. It's really beautiful inside with those wooden trim. And it's a really clean car, except from that. Just transported something, but it's really clean. It has no leather, but I prefer the car without leather because otherwise in summer when it's getting hot you sweat really hard on those leather seats. So inside we got this M badged steering wheel, the M package steering wheel, but otherwise there is not a lot to see from the M package. As you see down there, we got automatic transmission with 5-speed, and under the hood there is a 6-cylinder 2.5 liter petrol engine, and it's really lovely. So you want to hear it? We will start it up right now and then we start this POV test drive by Scene Through Cars. By the way, don't forget to subscribe and like and hit the bell on to get notified when I can make a new upload. Leave a comment behind what you think about it. Yeah, all this stuff. So then, let's start this test drive. Put it into drive, hit the gas pedal, and here we go. There we go. So I floored the pedal right now. And it was revs about 5.5 thousand RPM. Damn it, sounds lovely. But it doesn't sound really good or something because, it's not a performance car and the exhaust system is original. Therefore, it's kinda shy, but it sounds strong and smoothly. The gearbox shifts great as well. This particular car has about 255,000 kilometers on the clock, but everything works nicely and smoothly. It's really, I haven't found anything that's broken yet, except from the door. I don't know how to call it, but you know, those plastic stuff to prevent the water from coming in. But otherwise everything works, even the sun shield at the rear. It looks so funny and nice, old school stuff. Climate control works as well, so yes, AC works. Radio works, everything is working perfectly. Here we got some cup holders down there, 2 of them of course. They are okay, they are a bit flimsy because they are so small, but we got everything working. Then we got this smoker's package down there. There are things that already broke, but it's nothing about the function, it broke the plastic. Like down there in the middle, the plastic broke, and even here, somewhere here, the plastic broke as well. But I have to concentrate on the street. What's nice, there is an old school radio, and you can put in 2 of those. In German it's Kassetten. really lovely. And at the rear, at the trunk, there is a CD changer for 6 different CDs. And of course I'm using none of them because I got an FM transmitter, and I hear radio, I hear Bluetooth music. Yeah, but it's better to have it than to need it. Yeah, what else? The mirrors are small but big enough for me personally, but some would say they are small. Fuel consumption is a bit, it's a little bit high. 9.2 it says right now per 100 kilometers. But I just resetted it 1 day ago, and therefore it has to recalibrate. But before the 9.2 were there, I drove many kilometers and it said 9.1. Therefore it's, I would say 9.1, and it is quite high. Could be lower, but of course it's a petrol engine and it has 6 cylinders. They need some fuel to be fired up. They need something to work. But that's, if you buy such a car, you know that before. And it's now it says 9.1, as I said. It's calibrating. We can transform the gearbox into a sporty gearbox like that, and we can shift automatically. Anyways, but in this mode I can tell the car at which gear it should drive. But I don't really use it. I only use it for braking. Like if I see, there is a speed limit coming in front of us, then I do that one, and then it shifts down, and a little bit of engine brake. But otherwise it's not really necessary, except if you go down a hill, then it's great to use the engine brake. But that's it. We got some nice lights. They are turned on over there. They are xenon in this case. We also got fog lights over there. As I said, the radio, that's basically the radio, and under there are the cassetten. What else to say about this car? We got some storage under here, but it's not a lot. Some storage down there, storage underneath there, and of course some door pins underneath there. Fully electronically operated windows at the rear and at the front. That's really nice. We got electronically operated mirrors as well. And I forgot to say that this car was built in 1999, so it's already some years old. It's not the newest car anymore. Climate works really nice. It's nice cold inside here, although outside there are about 25 degrees. And now the fuel consumption is about 8.8 liters, so therefore it's still calibrating, as I said. What else to say about this car? It's made for the Autobahn, the motorway. It drives so nice and comfy at about 130 kilometers per hour. It's just, of course, a 6th gear wouldn't be bad for the car or for the fuel consumption and for the comfort. But nonetheless, it still is so comfy at those speeds. So like 100 to 150, it's just perfectly smooth, and it drives and handles comfy. It's not a real M sports car, of course, because it isn't. It's no M sports car. It's only the 523. I'm sorry. Therefore it's just a normal 5 Series, and it's really, really fucking comfy. The trunk is big as well. I got those skiing loading stuff. Therefore we can go skiing over there as well easily. That's really, really good. And that's it. I like this car. Really, you got a lot of car for a little money, a little budget. So I can fully recommend buying this car. And I hope you enjoyed watching this video, guys. Please, if you did so, subscribe my channel, hit the bell on to get notified when I make a new upload, hit the like button, leave a comment behind, and see you next video. Goodbye.